Mary. I have a blue Quaker for you. Sweet bird. Sweet birdie. Necktie. It's a blue necktie. Oop. See? Oh, my baby. What a baby boy. Oh, my baby boy. Or girl. I don't know what you are. Oh, go sweet birdie. Do you hear her kind of breathing? Well, she was like that. She just needs to, she's a little frightened. Oh, it's okay, baby. Oop. She's got a trap. Okay. Okay, baby. Here you go. I know, it's trying to hide. Ooh. I want to show you to everybody. I know they want to hide most of all. Yeah. Look at that cute little bird. No. Oh, baby. See, they're like, no matter how big they are, if you can manage this pose, it seems to give them a feeling of security. No. Oh, so sweet. Are you my little baby bird? Mm. Good birdie. Good birdie. You my baby. Oh. Oh, that's Mary. That's your new mama. That's your new mama. You so sweet. Oh, you're so sweet. Oh. You're so cute. Quakers are so affectionate. They're really cuddly. But they like to be held. They like to be held close. It seems like all of them are a little afraid to, to perch away from you. They all want to be right up here. Oh, that's okay. That's okay, baby. Sweet baby. Ah, you're a good birdie. You're my good birdie. Here. Let go. Come on, let go. Oh, baby. You're my baby. Huh? There you go. There you go. Can you hear that breathing? He goes, who is that? Do you see yourself in there? Look at that bird. Look at that handsome bird. Oh, my. Are you a good baby? You kiss? That's a good birdie. That's a good birdie. Oh. You are the sweetest thing. What the sweetest thing. Yes, you are. Oh, honey. It's okay. It's okay. I'll put this on pause. So, Mary, just, pick this bird up like it's a cat or something. A little cat. Just pick her right up. Put her on your chest. When you first get her, we send this handout. It describes some stuff, but you first get the bird. You put a little cloth around him, like a baby, and a little head sticking out, and then you give it comfort, and you're the one that it'll go to. You're the one that it will want. It's going to protect her. And call it a her. I don't know if it's a her or not, but she lays eggs. Someday we'll know. No. Okay, well, I don't know. Oof. We just want to see this little. You okay? Huh? You all right? I love the birdie. I love the birdie. Okay, Mary. You're so sweet. You're so sweet. We love you. Yeah, a little shy, but very sweet. So just she'll get a little more confidence just when she gets to know you and, you know, work with her, love on her. Oh, yeah. The Quakers, hopefully your cage has a door that is some size, you know, so it's not an issue getting them out of the cage. And when they get to know you, you can leave the door open and wait for them to come out. Yes. Good. When they finally get to cage. Yeah. All right, Mary, I love you. And I love the rest of our birdie people. We have such wonderful people buying our pets. And I'm just so happy with y'all. Okay. Oh, I forgot. Doo-doo-doo. If there are any people wanting a fluffy, affectionate Quaker, you can go to Flybabies, you know, the www thing. Flybabies, Flybabies Aviary, AVIARY.com. Just take it easy, baby. Yeah. Oh, honey, it'll be alright. Really, it's all good. It's all good. Alright, buddy. Okay, I love you. Goodbye.